Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today I am here right outside one of the luxurious launch of Prestige Group, that is Prestige Suncrest, for its upcoming launch teaser. So in this teaser, we will let you know about the project overview, project location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discounts and offers. Right now I'm standing outside the sales office of the Prestige Suncrest. You can have a look at the location and the neighborhood. Prestige Suncrest is in the heart of Electronic City, Bengaluru, and talking about the project overview, Prestige Suncrest will be built in a beautiful 6-acre campus consisting of stunning towers with 23 and 24 floors, and each consisting of the mix of 1, 2, 3 and 3.5 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities of this project, it has to offer you the major conveniences at your doorstep. The Bommasandra metro station is just 3 kilometers away, Hebbagodi metro station is just 4 kilometers away, Infosys campus is just 2 kilometers away, and National Highway 44 is just 1 kilometer away from this project. Talking about the amenities that Prestige Suncrest by Prestige has to offer you, it has to offer you 30 plus luxury amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, yoga lawn and many more. And this particular property will be built across the serene green without compromising the space and quality of the apartment. And all the apartments are Vastu compliant, and also since it is located in the heart of Electronic City, it is easily accessible for major commercial areas and major IT hubs. Now, talking about the built-up area and floor plan, like I said before, it has to offer you 1, 2, 3, 3.5 BHK variants, and 1 BHK comes with 650 square feet, which costs you starting from 70 lakhs, and 2 BHK, which is a very spacious place, which is of 1250 square feet, costing you 1.25 crore. 3 BHK, which is of 1450 square feet, costing you 1.50 crore. 3.5 BHK, which is much bigger than the 3 BHK, which will cost you about 1.90 crore, which is of 1700 square feet. If you want a much bigger 3 BHK, which is a spacious 3 BHK along with the maid's room, it will cost you 2.1 crore and the square feet is 1950 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. So, spot expression of interest is open and the client can come visit our site, and our sales team will get in touch with you and explain you the complete project details and project overview along with the payment and pricing schemes. Alongside, they'll also give you various banking options. If after all this clients like this project, then you can book your unit allotment by paying the spot expression of interest, and also all the clients who will be paying the spot expression of interest will be eligible for launch discounts and offers. If you are looking for a place to live, relax and work, then Prestige Suncrest is at your doorstep. So before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.com for more details and product updates, and also this Prestige Suncrest will soon be officially launched. And if you have any queries related to payment schemes, banking options or the brochure related, then you can click on the link mentioned in the description box below, and our clients of NRI can also click on the same link in order to get all of these details.
So everyone, this was the teaser of Prestige Group new launch Suncrest, located on Electronic City, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.